Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Chevy has truly outdone themselves with this latest iteration of the ZL1, blending raw power with a refined design that continues to push the limits of performance and style. If you're a muscle car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates bold engineering, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Right off the bat, the 2026 Camaro ZL1 grabs your attention with its aggressive stance and redesigned front fascia. The sharp LED headlights, functional hood vents, and wide, low profile give the ZL1 a menacing presence on the road. Chevy has slightly revised the front splitter and rear diffuser for improved aerodynamics, and the carbon fiber accents throughout the body hint at the ZL1's performance-first philosophy. Available in bold new color options, including nitro blue metallic and satin crimson, this Camaro is built to turn heads. Now let's talk about what really makes the ZL1 a beast, its performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro ZL1 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 V8 engine that now delivers an insane 680 horsepower and 670 lb-ft of torque. That's a 30 horsepower bump from the previous model, and it makes a real difference. Whether you opt for the 6-speed manual or the 10-speed automatic transmission, you're in for an exhilarating ride. The ZL1 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, and thanks to the updated magnetic ride control and electronic limited slip differential, it handles tight corners like a sports car half its size. Brembo brakes come standard, ensuring this monster stops as quickly as it goes. Inside the 2026 Camaro ZL1, you'll find a cabin that's been fine-tuned for both comfort and control. The interior features premium suede and leather surfaces with contrast stitching and ZL1 badging throughout. The Recaro performance seats are not only stylish but also incredibly supportive, especially during aggressive driving. The updated 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is customizable and pairs perfectly with the 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium Bose sound system are all included, so you'll stay connected and entertained whether you're on the track or the highway. What really sets the 2026 Camaro ZL1 apart from its rivals are the unique features that balance performance with modern tech. A new performance data recorder lets drivers analyze their lap times and driving behavior in real time. There's also an updated track mode with customizable settings, launch control, and even a line lock for perfect burnouts. Chevy has even added advanced driver assist features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control, which were previously rare in the muscle car segment. So there you have it, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, a car that blends tradition, power, and technology in one aggressive package. Whether you're chasing speed, performance, or just want to own a true piece of American muscle history, this ZL1 is ready for action. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Gearhead content, and let us know in the comments, would you take this over a Hellcat? See you in the next one.